Hey boys and girls, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great because I'm doing wonderful. And I'll tell you why. Today is a very special day. Today just so happens to be Christmas. Now Christmas happens during winter. I love winter. There's so many things you can do. You can go outside, build a snowman, have a snowball fight with your friends. It is the best time of the year. Now one of the months that happens to be during winter is December. December is a really cold month, but there's so much fun stuff you can do. There's Christmas, there's all kinds of fun activities. December happens on the 25th of December. This year just happens to be today. Today is also Wednesday, the middle of the week. Now, because it's December and because it's winter and Christmas, that means we're hoping for snow. So today is a very snowy day. I love playing on the snow. A white Christmas is everybody's dream, so hopefully today will be very snowy. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye!